Alright, back with another one, Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. So I came out, I went to the gym, came back, and I saw this on my wife's car. Kind of low there. Kind of weird because normally if it's just a slow leak, it wouldn't get to that much. So I imagine it is some kind of metal object that's in the tire. So what we're going to do is we're going to jack up the car, and then we'll take out the rim and the tire and see where we're at, and figure out where the air is coming from, where it's leaking from. I have it on jack stands already. I'm just going to turn it up, jack up the car. And this is a Honda CRV 2007, so these 19mm lug nuts. I'm just going to use my impact driver and get that out quicker than usual. Make waste. Don't make waste, make haste. Get this up. Yeah, just to get it off the ground, not much. Hit it with the impact. I can't pre-loosen this, so it's out. With the wheel lock on here. Don't use the impact. Pro tip, don't use the impact on these locks. Because either you can break the lock that's in there, or you can break this, the key lock itself. So that can actually be broken very easily. That's pro tip. Don't use a impact wrench on this. And you got the hex driver. It'd be a 19mm also on this. Because it's just there to lock it. There's 5 lugs, so this wheel's not going to go anywhere. There it is. That's up. Got this from Home Depot, Ryobi, 4-hour lithium. So, pretty good. Lightweight. This is going to come off. Just looking where I can find any kind of metal. And I found the problem. Here it is. So there's a nail there. See it? Right there. All right. So a couple tools to deal with that. So I bought this from Walmart. $6, $7. It comes with the tool to take it out, and this is a tool actually to kind of pull it out at the same time. So you puncture in and pull it out at the same time. So there's the pictures. Put the plug there and plug it in, and then you can shape to match it. But I'll actually put extra cement in there just to make sure everything's nice and tidy. All right. So there's the nail. Got a couple tools we're gonna use that I showed you. These are the tools you're gonna use to get the couple tools you're gonna need. Got this utility knife, needle nose plier, a little cutting tool, pliers, flathead, and hammer just to get the nail out from here. I like using this tool, Walmart, $7. Long needle nose, angled needle nose plier. And get this out. So we'll take a look at this tool. So this is actually to insert the plug into the tire. There's one, we'll just use one. Like I said, I like to put an extra cement on mine. And we're gonna just use this to shave any excess the hole that we create. So I'm just gonna prep ahead. That way, when this comes out, air is gonna come gushing out. I just have to plug this in. Just gonna have this ready to go and glue it up with cement glue here, rubber cement glue. And the way this works is I'm gonna insert it to here. When it comes out, there's a blade here that cuts it as it comes out. All right, that's prepped and ready. So punch in, pull back out. Like I said, I'm gonna prep this with some glue. So we pull out the other one, we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna pull this out and then it's lubed up and ready. Put some glue on here. Comment below, maybe I'm going too aggressive here with this glue stuff, but I'm make sure I get a good seal. Okay, that's all propped up with glue. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna take out this one. We're gonna replace it with this one. Sit there for a little bit. Don't move. Let's take this out. Some people put the whole, shove this back into the car, but I don't hear no rattling, so I'm gonna try to take it out. Ideally, I like to take this out, but it's not coming out. So just go right through it. Need about that much. Alright, get some air in the tire. So this will do the trick. $2 for this thing. How much pressure you need to be caught. So this is probably let's say 35. We're going up. There's no leak coming out of that thing. There it is. Tie back in for the truck. Tie right back. Back of the truck. Find my keys. Okay, once the glue is in, let it dry for less than a minute. It's pretty gooey. Yeah, and it feels kind of soft. It should be a little bit soft. It's gonna trim the top so that way when you drive the car, it doesn't make that click 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 noise because you're gonna notice a bump there. However, this tire will need to be replaced. Looks like it's getting down to the treads. It's only 1/4 of an inch left of the tread. Just gonna need new tires. All right, so let's trim off the top. Let's see here. Utility knife or copper? I think utility knife will do. Utility knife will do just fine. Should be fine. Good. Got a good seal. Let's put it all back together now. So pro tip to putting the lugs back in, and you want to crisscross, okay? So that way it keeps the wheel nice and even and goes up against the hub. I'm just going to start it by hand. Oh, I don't ruin the thread on this. And tighten it. Yeah. Crisscross it. Got a wheel lock on. So what we'll do is we'll lower this car down, that way as we turn, this wheel doesn't move. It's just enough to get it down there, okay? I know you should probably torque it, but I'm doing this in my driveway. I'm not torquing nothing. Don't do as I say. Don't do as I do. Alright, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is a tip from Hunter and Chavy Investments. This is a finance channel. We're going to help you save money doing stuff yourself. So this thing just cost me $7 to get the patch up. You know, this type of channel will go over how to save money fixing your car, fixing your house, fixing your irrigation system, you know, getting rid of mold in your kid's bathroom, stuff like that. Even you look at my other videos, you'll see videos on how to save for 401k, pay off your student loans, pay back your taxes if you owe taxes to Uncle Sam. So subscribe to the channel. I think we're up to 100 subscribers, so thank you guys. Thank you for the support. Keep sharing, keep liking, and I'll see you next time.